to the.
Ready?
All right, Coach Speid, another dominant performance from the Cavalier team, a 4-1 margin of victory coming from behind. How pleased are you with how they executed over the 2 hours?
Well, we're not so pleased because the second game running, we can't see that early goal, so it's something we're really wary of. And go back and look at the reasons why it happened. And once it happened more than once, then there's a problem.
But overall, to fight back and get 4 goals, that's showing good positive sign.
Yeah, I suppose a fixture like this is always like that, kind of, you're not sure what's going to happen. So we just try to stay consistent and hope that the results go our way, and that's what we do.
Coach, the bench looking quite festive recently. How important is it where the squad is concerned and you're utilizing the squad now? Basically, almost all players are getting regular game time.
God is my shepherd. Players I shall not want.
Yeah.
First 4 games of the season, Coach, I mean, looking how in your estimation, how would you rate it?
I think it's good because last year this time, once we were in the competition, I think this time we're like 10th, struggling because we kept on losing and not doing so well in the Premier League. So this time I think we learn from our mistakes and we're more consistent, we're able to rotate. And we still have players out that we expect to come in after the schoolboy season. So I think this year we're in good stead. The team is younger. We're probably multi-talented. Young Wilberforce made his debut today and scored his debut. Really great goal. So I think we are okay and going in the right direction.
Coach.